Hello, everyone. This is Brandon Davis with Davis CPA Group, and I wanted to talk today a little bit about your chart of accounts in your accounting software. Primarily QuickBooks Online. That's something we see used a lot because it's just kind of prevalent. I guess maybe their marketing's the best, but it's a great tool for small business owners. And it's a great tool in the way that you can use it to manage your financial data from the standpoint of understanding your profitability, being able to manage your bank reconciliations and do different things inside the QuickBooks Online platform, even with some new tools they've deployed relative to AI and some analytical tools that you can really lean into. One of the things though that's really critical is making sure that the data that you get into your QuickBooks Online account is one, timely, and two, accurate. But as far as the accuracy thing goes, that plays into how you classify your data and making sure that you're putting things into the right general ledger accounts, or the accounts as they call them. I'll have some more videos, a little bit more elementary, if you will, or to go through the process of setting up QuickBooks Online, understanding the different financial statements that you look at inside your small business, whether it's your balance sheet, your income statement. But one of the things I just want to do a quick video right now about is utilizing account numbers in your chart of accounts. And one thing I'd like to show you is, here's an example of a chart of accounts that's been exported out of QuickBooks Online, that I think looks a lot better because it's set up with account numbers. You'll maybe notice in your current QuickBooks Online account, if you have one that you're using, when you look at your chart of accounts, or if you look at your profit and loss statement, a lot of times these accounts that you have listed here show up in alphabetical order. That's just the default because QuickBooks has no other way to put that data in some type of semblance of order. Well, what can happen is you can have all of these accounts listed. If I, for example, go to our general and administrative type accounts, or just our expense area here, you can see if I look at this highlighted item here where it says expenses, all of these accounts would just be in alphabetical order if not for the utilization or the use of these account numbers. So for example, automobile expense would probably be at the top, then my bank service charges, then my dues and subscriptions, yada, yada. Well, by putting together account numbers, I'm able to truncate data in a way that allows me to see it and use it from a comparative analysis perspective. Meaning I can look at this from a month to month standpoint or year to year, and I can see things really quickly as far as how I'm performing. So for example, if you can look at this, I have all of my insurance expenses put together in a summation of the insurance. I've got my marketing expenses. I'm using also sub accounts here. You can see this marketing expenses at top, then all of these subsidiary items for different types of marketing expenses are below. So I can really understand month to month, how much am I spending on billboards versus networking versus signage. And then down here below, we've got all the other kind of a general administrative type accounts. Up here at the top, I usually use 4,000 series accounts for revenue. I usually use a 5,000 series account for cost of sales if you're a business like a contractor, or in this case, a roofing provider where you've got direct costs associated with your roofing sales. Or, and then after that, I use usually the 6,000 series accounts for your general and administrative type expenses. By using account numbers in your chart of accounts, it allows you to basically have a more complete and a more easy to follow and easy to basically use a chart of accounts so when you look at your income statements or even look at your balance sheets, you have a clear picture of where you are from a trend analysis perspective. So just a quick video to talk about the importance of using account numbers in your chart of accounts. More to come on some future videos around QuickBooks and the setup. Here at Davis CPA Group, we love to help businesses get things set up properly the first time, and also can do chart of accounts work, help you figure out your chart of accounts that fits your business so you can use it for KPI, key performance indicator analysis, or benchmarking, or forecasting, or even just understanding your expenses and where are you spending the most money. So happy to help and be a resource for anybody that's out there. If you got anything out of this, you might, and you're a subscriber, I would love for you to share this. I'm trying to increase the number of subscribers that I have. And so if you see this video, if you don't see it all the way, if you would just subscribe, share it. Trying to get some more content out there to help small businesses, and there'll be more to come around this topic in particular. Thanks.